light on that thing?
Nope.
Can you take the key out?
Yeah, it pops up, buddy, but yeah, it's good to make sure that key is out of there whenever you're hooking it up.
No, she's not watching.
Now she pulled the safety key out. All right, let me back up a little bit so I can.
D minus 3, 2, 1. Open.
Oh, the parachute didn't quite work, but oh well.
That one was even better.
That was cool. That was really cool. Maybe we can do one in the cul-de-sac. That could be handled in the cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
Buddy, the next two, just remember that.